That's a Soda Pop from Soda Hughes, and you are watching the MOLOCH channel, and today we're looking at the art of Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. I have not played this game yet. I kind of want to. It's kind of interesting. Oh, that's cool. They put the team up. Yeah, I think in a lot of the video game art books I've seen they haven't done that, so that's kind of nice. It's kind of interesting how much Star Wars has kind of grown. The franchise is like spread out a lot. There's even those like, what are they, like anime ones from like popular anime studios where they did like little Star Wars shorts. I've been wanting to watch those too. I actually haven't watched a lot of the newer Star Wars. I think I saw 2 out of 3 of the new trilogy. I did see Rogue One, which was pretty decent. I think I liked Rogue One more than I liked the other 2 movies in the new trilogy. I so far wasn't a huge fan. Felt like Kylo Ren was kind of a weak villain. But maybe they were setting up for something bigger in the 3rd. I don't know. Kind of want to see the Solo story, but I just haven't gotten around to it, and I also don't have Disney Plus, so yeah, who knows when I'll get around to it. I think I did see that Nakey Jakey really liked this game, which kind of makes me want to try it a little bit more. And you can see a lot of love went into a lot of these illustrations. It's pretty cool. It's been a long time since I even saw the original trilogy. Pretty sure I liked the original trilogy okay. I think there were some kind of slow moments, especially in the 5th one. I think the 5th one is the one with Hoth, all the snow. But I think after that it got kind of slow in some ways. I actually liked the first movie in the prequels. Like, it's definitely not perfect, and there's a lot of stupid things, but I liked it, I feel like, a lot more than episode 2 and 3. But yeah, maybe I need to catch up a little bit. There's some things, though, that I feel like it just doesn't feel like Star Wars, which kind of puts me off about it. It just looks more like, you know, something the kind of fantasy kids who I know and illustrators would really like and create, but it doesn't look like, you know, that kind of really weird puppet aesthetic that like created a lot of the aliens and monsters in the old Star Wars. Yeah, I might have to try this one out. It looks like they put a lot of effort into it, which is cool. To see all the different character illustrations and stuff like that. I recognize some of these from some of the videos, because yeah, I'm not sure, I think Jakey might have put out a video. I'm pretty sure Video Game Donkey did, and I watched it. Yeah, I mean, I was really into Star Wars as a little kid. I even read like those kind of funky books about like their children, and like their like force caves and stuff. I don't know, those books were kind of weird. Even as a kid, I was like, this is kind of strange. But I think it was my 3rd birthday party was Star Wars themed. I got this really fancy lightsaber. It was really exciting. Loved having lightsaber fights with my friends as a little kid. You know, whenever you hit, unless you hit the head. If you hit like a limb, they weren't dead yet. They just had to like pretend they didn't have that limb anymore. There's always that one friend who would lie about getting hit by the lightsaber. Yeah, cool stuff. That was The Art of Jedi Fallen Order. Who knows, maybe at some point I'll end up playing it. It's not at the top of my list right now, but it does seem like kind of an interesting thing to try. Maybe I'll get a hankering to do it once I get back into some of that other Star Wars stuff I've been wanting to look at, some of those movies and TV shows. Yeah, I've also been meaning to watch The Mandalorian, which I haven't done yet. Yeah, this is another open episode. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys again. Be sure to check the links in my description for affiliate links, especially supporting me on Patreon. There's benefits there, like getting your name in the credits or choosing what video is uploaded next. That stuff helps me continue this so much more, so please check that out. Please like and subscribe. I really do hope to see you again. Take care.